Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya R. Today I am going to explain you about Introduction to HTML, Syntax of HTML, Basic Structure of HTML, HTML Basic Tags, Description of Basic Tags, Heading Tags and Paragraph. Now let us know about the Introduction to HTML. HTML, it is a language for describing the web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. A markup language, it is a set of markup tags. HTML, it also uses a markup tags to describe the web pages. HTML documents are also called as web pages, the language of web pages on the World Wide Web. It defines the structure of the web pages where we can determine how the data is displayed on the online. It is a text formatting language. It is directly interrupted by the browser. HTML documents are also called as a web pages. HTML documents contains HTML tags and plain text. HTML elements are the building blocks of the HTML pages. Syntax of HTML. An HTML consists of an elements and an attributes. An HTML element can contain a text or the other elements also. It is defined in the HTML document by the tags. An HTML or attributes, it is a name where directly the value it will be assigned, which provides a more information about the HTML elements. What HTML let us to do? It will insert an images using the image tag. It creates a link with using an anchor tag. It creates a list with an ordered list, unordered list and the description list. It also defines a metadata with using a meta tag. Here it is an example of basic syntax of an HTML. A basic syntax of HTML, normally it consisting of opening tag and a closing tag and the contents. Opening tag, it should contain with an anchor tag and it should always close with a \a. And the contents in here, it consists of a contact threads. In the HTML description, the output will be seen where a contacts.html. Basic structure of HTML. It consists of document type HTML, head, meta character, title and the head, body and the HTML closing tags and the body its closing tags. Document type, it mainly consisting of document definition where it tells about the browser what type of the document it is about to process. It does not indicate the version of the HTML, but it contains within the document which is specified that contains in the HTML. Next, HTML. HTML, it does not require the use of the HTML head, body elements. However, XHTML they were required. HTML element, it is also called as the root element as it contains all the other HTML elements in the document. Head, it describes the pages where the body elements, description elements of the documents such as the JavaScripts, sheets, and it uses the other types of meta information used by the search engines and the other programs also. Title, it consisting of the main title of the HTML which provides a broad description of the contents. The title, it does not displayed within the browser window, but instead it is typically displayed by the browser in its tab. The title, it is used by the browser for the bookmarks and its browser history list. Most of the browser limits the length of the title that it is displayed. It is about the 60 characters. Body, it will mainly consisting of the HTML elements and even also the regular text that it will be displayed in the browser. The structure, it normally consisting of all these tags with compulsory the HTML tag it should be closed and the body where the page contents will goes here. Here is a small example of the structure of the HTML. The title element it is used to provide a broad description of the contents. The title it is not displayed within the browser window. Instead, the title it is typically displayed by the browser window or a tab. The title it is used by the browser for the bookmarks and it is browser history. The operating system might also uses the page titles, for instance Windows taskbar or the Mac document, and even the search engines will typically uses the page title as the linked text in their search engine and the result page. Here is a small example for the structure of the HTML. It always starts with a document HTML where the title of this HTML it is a very small document where the title should be closed with a backslash, where the P it is used to write a paragraph. This is a simple document with not much more content. Now here it is an output where this is a document which not much more than the content. It is a paragraph where it is displayed and the output is displayed here. HTML basic tags. It mainly consisting of HTML tag, head tag, body tag, paragraph tag, heading tags, anchor tag, list tags, form tag and table tag. Description of the basic tags. Document type. It mainly tells about the document how it is to be processed. HTML tag. HTML tag it is a root of the HTML where the HTML elements it will be in the document. Head tag. Head tag mainly consisting of the descripting elements about the documents like title, any sheets or the JavaScript files. Title it is used to provide a broadcast description title of the content. Body tag it mainly consisting that it will be displayed by the browser. H1 to H6 it defines the HTML tag headings. P it will defines a paragraph tag. BR it inserts a single line break. A it describes an anchor used for the hyperlinks. Abbreviation it is used for the abbreviation of the HTML tag. Heading tags. Heading tags is mainly consisting of the headings or the subtitles that we wanted to display on the web page. HTML headings are defined within the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the least important heading. Here it is an example for the heading tag. It will start with a document type HTML, body and H1 heading of it. H2 heading tag, H3 heading tag, H4 and H5 and H6 where the body must be closed by default and the HTML tag should be closed by default. Here it is an output where we can see that H1 has the most important heading where H2 has a lesser than the H1 and H3 is lesser than the H2. Like on we see that H6 has a least important heading. Paragraph it is the most important basic unit in the HTML document. P tag it is used to describe a paragraph in different paragraphs. Each paragraph of text should be go in between an opening paragraph and a closing paragraph tag. Paragraph it consisting of an HTML head, title and the head should be closed where P tag it is used to describe a paragraph where we have written within the P tag that it will be displayed in the output screen where this is a paragraph and this is the another paragraph. And the body and the HTML tag should be closed by the default and the output for this it will be this is a paragraph and this is the another paragraph. Thank you.